In just 18 months, coronavirus has reshaped the way we see school, especially at the collegiate level. 7 News reporter Colin Roos is live in the studio now to tell us how local colleges are planning their health policies for what looks to be a long winter. Colin.
Catherine, with online classes and vaccine mandates becoming the norm, it's going to be a while before universities look anything like what they did before. So you might be surprised to hear that 2 local schools say they're making strides in fighting the virus, even with Delta still hitting West Virginia hard.
There's no denying it. The college experience is different nowadays. Online classes, fewer students in the halls, separated desks, it just isn't the same as it was for those who graduated before the 2020s. And our Ohio Valley schools continue to shift their studies along with the cultural tide. The president of West Virginia Northern Community College will tell you, keeping up with the week-by-week changes hasn't been easy.
Stressful, to say the least. This wasn't part of the job description whenever I came here 2 years ago.
Northern is just one of the many schools that changed course as the Delta variant struck late in the summer. While they dropped their mask mandate in early July, they brought it back for the fall semester. They've also asked students and employees to get vaccinated or tested every 2 weeks. And they're prepared to make adjustments as needed with their COVID task group that meets once a week at least.
When the infection numbers are going up, we meet more than weekly. We've met as often as 3 and 4 times a week.
A little further north of Northern's Wheeling campus, some of those same approaches have been adopted at West Liberty. Students are masked, regardless of vaccination status, just about anywhere they could gather.
Throughout the campus, inside facilities, classrooms, offices, even the residence halls.
However, both colleges have stopped short of mandating the shots. WVNCC and West Liberty have similar vaccine rates, about 85% for staff and between 50 and 60% for students. Dr. Evans says requiring it isn't in the cards as of right now.
We've not gotten to that level yet, and certainly we are going to be following the leads of the governor and the things that our governor says as well.
With online classes still available, students have plenty of options for their safety, no matter where they go. And with cases down last week in Ohio County, the hope is that those maskless days of this summer will eventually come back.
As for where we go from here, both schools say they're closely watching the health department and the CDC. West Virginia Northern says they can't wait until they can relax their restrictions once again. Reporting in the 7 News studio, I'm Colin Roos, working for you.